Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. Today, Thursday, 18 April 2024. My trade directions for today will be long on the US, the Euro and the Swiss, short on the Yen, the New Zealand and the Aussie. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started. Dollar index, well, retracing a little bit. I mentioned yesterday there could be a retracement for some profit taking. There was nothing telling me that. That was just a general remark. It's not that I knew anything or saw anything. It's just usually after a little bit of a big run, we get some profit taking. So I love this, that it retraces. I want this to retest. And once I get a retest here, that could give me another leg up the page on the dollar. Maybe up on those highs, as long as the dollar stays strong, obviously. But that'll give me clear-cut direction, and that's what I'm after. So as it starts to give up, we should see on the very, very short-term time frame a little bit of dollar weakness coming in. But on the medium, long-term, and everything basically is bullish. Just the intraday still bullish, but that will soon start to drop off. But I would love this to come back to this area here. Not having that much influence on gold. Gold is just very sideways at this 61% retracement level, which is a little bit of cumbersome, but we got this sideways range. I would now connect those two lines there and say, all right, you know what, if I can get a breakout there, I'll take some longs on gold with a stop loss down here. All right, for the short term, absolutely for the short term. Other than that, I don't see that much that I can do there. Bitcoin testing a very, very dangerous level, right at this support level, that support. You can see this could be a big double top. If this can break down, we could see quite a steep retracement, which might not be a bad thing, which I highly doubt will happen. But if I can get that distance and add that to the break, that can bring it back to 47, 48,000. Let's say at least to 50,000. That'll give us a very nice discount on Bitcoin. But for now, halving tomorrow or Saturday, just depends. It's not an exact time, it's about the blocks. And now it's a question of exact when it's going to happen. So we can expect some volatility, I think, this weekend. But slowly but surely, I think the bulls will return to power on Bitcoin. All the previous Bitcoin halvings, it did that. You know, it might be different this time. I never know. I don't think so. Markets are seldom different this time. But we will see. A strong bounce off here would be very positive, but you would still be worried about that pattern retest. We did retest it there, but I must be honest, if we test again now, it will be weaker than what we saw there. Well, let's say stronger, the bulls, when it gets up there. Yeah, the bulls, they gave up very quickly. So a little bit of anticipation on what happens. I guess we will see next week, by end of next week, what happens with Bitcoin. But for now, I'm just looking technically at it and respond. CAD Swiss, we got the short up there. We trailed the stop loss to entry. Got our first target, lovely, huh? That 1.27 Fibonacci level of the swing. Beautiful on the nose. So I got my first target, closed out half the position. The rest is now stop at entry. Can't lose money, great place to be. I would still be interested in some shorts. You can see CAD neutral, but I still got a Swiss bullishness in mind. So once this trade plays out, I will still be interested, providing the RS stays intact. But for now, I'm comfortable. I'm in the direction there. I got the first target, money in the bank. Now it's a question of hoping and praying for the bottom. Then pound CAD. Now this one was a bit of a yucky one. I already said yesterday on the video. Now I said halfway mark is fine. I did a very smallish trade there. The only reason why is, okay, beyond that this white candle was ridiculous. I said then I'll do only the halfway mark. But we already got to the recent highs. That means if it falls from the highs, it means it's gonna most likely do this. But you know, me trader had to do a cautious long. It was a small position, it wasn't a big one. And only half a position, and that got stopped out so quickly than anything else. You can see there was support on the halfway mark. It did bounce very quickly, and I thought, okay, well, but I sort of knew that in my mind, but it's just, we already hit the highs. Resistance already got proven. It's actually senseless taking that trade, but all right, you know, I did it. Now pound CAD very close to each other, so there's nothing. I'll remove this from my watch list for today. That was just showing you the end of this trade. Then the US yen, dollar up there, yen down there. It's all the sparkle against the black sheep. I love this. I just love this. I just need this retrace to this level here. Then I'll be very interested in taking some longs here. So I really hope that we can get a retracement back there. And S&P 500, well, we still got this big swing here. Still back, retracement 61%. That's the only place I'll be interested in shorting this. I still got a strong dollar. So I'm still stock market bearish. The trend is bearish. So if I get a retracement here, I'll see how the market responds when we get here. Then I'll consider some shorts and some strong candle reversals. Dow Jones, pretty much a little bit of a closer one, a little bit more dangerous, this one. If it hits that level, if it shots past that level, it's going to be a double bottom, most likely a trend reversal. If it gets there and it fails, it might shoot through a little bit, but it then fails backwards down. It shows that the double bottom traders, which a lot of people will do, will take longs there and they will need to run stops. So that could be then a very aggressive failed double bottom, and a failed pattern is usually a very aggressive move because so many people do trade it. So I would love to see this to overshoot a little bit, then get a strong candle reversal. Then I'll definitely get interested in some shorts here. But it is tense because we are running into a potential double bottom, and as it breaks through those highs, it's actually breaking the intermediate high. That means that the double bottom is in play, but there's a 60-70% chance that it will work. The big thing is if it fails spectacularly. So that's what I'm after. That's why I'm still watching this. And then the FTSE, we got still a strongish pound. If it drops one more spot, so guys, you can come and watch this on the live stream on YouTube. I show the trend catcher robot there, but I also publish this indicator there that you can just come and have a look. If the pound gets lower than that, that's the lowest spot that I will allow for stock market bearishness. So if it hits that level and I get a strong candle reversal and the pound is in any of those top 4 positions, I'll then consider some shorts. The Aussie cat. Aussie, definitely red cat, neutral. I'm not after the cat, but I'm after the Aussie. So I'll see how it responds when it gets there. Aussie cat, I'm looking for a short there at the 61% Fibonacci level. And then the New Zealand Swiss, similar scenario. New Zealand red, Swiss green. So when it hits that level there, market structure there, same as yesterday, I would love to see the retest there. Once I see the retest and a strong candle reversal, I'll then do some shorts. Euro cat. Euro green zone, cat neutral. I'm not after the cat, I'm after the euro long. On our mentoring group, we've got a very nice divergence euro US long, which is playing out very well. But the newfound euro strength from down here up there, this is attractive. So I'm looking at this support level here, just below the 50% level on the Fibonacci. So I need a test and then a nice candle reversal. I'll then take the longs. Swiss yen, nice big swing up, very big consolidation. Usually strong moves after that. But if I look at the Swiss, second best one on safety. Yen, the weakest of them all. So I would love to see some form of retracement. I want to be long here, but not from those levels. A test here, candle reversal, that'll get me interested. Euro Aussie. Euro, newfound strength, and Aussie red zone. So I would love to see a retracement back here. To structure here, if I can get a retest here of the 50%, nice strong candle pattern, that could be an ABC, almost a Gartley pattern, not completely, but it's definitely possible. And then a strong reversal from there. We could form a flag here. So a lot of things can happen if it tests this. So I'm very interested in watching this closely. And the US cat, this last big swing, I'm waiting for this 50% retracement back to this high here. I would personally actually would love to see a retracement back to these areas, but that falls a little bit outside the scope of my strategy. For now, I'll watch this area, dollar, cat, you can see dollar, all the sparkle, cat, neutral. I'm not after the cat, I'm after the dollar long. So if I can get a retest here and I can get a nice solid reversal, I'll definitely get long there. Then the New Zealand US, New Zealand red, US green. So I want to be short here on the New Zealand long dollar, but I need a decent test, not some silly thing like that on a gap on an opening. But I'd just like to see a retest here. Strong counter reversal, then I'll definitely looking at some shorts. Euro New Zealand. Euro green, New Zealand red, just a basic trade. Downtrend, or actually this was a nice big uptrend. Consolidation, now the break and then the retest. So it got a retest there, but it wasn't the level I watched yesterday. But now I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it, brand new trend. Trend could change red before it gets there. If it goes slowly, if it goes fast, this could stay blue. And the Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss, Aussie red, Swiss green, 100% fine, same as on yesterday's video. The retracement back to this market structure here between the 50 and 61%, that's the area I'm going to be interested in. Then my favorite trade idea for today, Aussie US, Aussie second weakest dollar, all the sparkle. Yesterday the Aussie was the weakest, so we needed something like this for it to retrace back to this one. That's the swing, that's 61%. We already see a high wave candle there, seeing some trouble coming in there. So I'm looking for a good strong candle reversal. That can happen any candle from now on until tonight. So I'm going to keep my eyes open here for a very, very nice short. If it cuts through, I'll just walk away. But if I get a nice strong candle reversal, I'll definitely consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video, and I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.